Hey you, it's Jess here and welcome to my channel. Today we're looking at my November kit lineup. First we have the monthly, which is Pumpkin from Caress Press. Just super pretty late autumn kind of set. It's already started snowing a little bit where I live, so we're very much in the outs of autumn. So I technically only have one autumn kit left for this month, and then I do a couple of anytimes. And then get straight into the holiday season. But my last autumn set will be November 6th to the 12th. I already included 30 to the 5th in my Halloween collection, which is a vampire one. But for the 6th to the 12th, we are doing Coffee Town from Caress Press. I just love how this art came out. It's so cute. I love the colors. I have a bunch of different stuff from it, but I love the browns and the yellows and the black. Super duper fun. So yeah, I just have like the whole kit here. Yeah, I really like that. The chocolate truffle box, super cute. But yeah, so I'm going to be doing something a bit more experimental for me. I'm going to try and use some more different color foils this month. So the first one, especially with these confetti bundles. So this first one is the confetti bundle from SPC in chocolate. I believe it got labeled. You can see here in the bow. And I thought the chocolate brown worked really nicely. Gives it a warmer touch. And although there's it'll be brown on brown, I think actually that will look really nice because it's a slightly different brown. But I don't know, I thought that gave it a really nice look of the brown and makes it especially with the bougie boxes behind, it gives it a sort of warmer touch, I think, overall. But that is the first week of November. And you'll notice also that I don't have any special custom foils for anything because I don't know, lately by the time I've decided on foil and my kits, it's too late to be able to get things delivered. I'm just pushing it for my Christmas spreads. So I don't know. Maybe just using bundles is gonna have to be it for me for a while, but it's just not lining up with how for monthly shipping for me. So November 13th and 19th, we have an anytime kit, and this is Motherload, which is the Sims 4 kit that Caress Press brought out. And I've been playing a lot of Sims, as you guys know, especially this year, so I was like, you know what, I want to use this. I was planning to use it more end of winter, start of spring. I feel like these colors could also work in a sort of autumn to winter kind of feel as well. Plus, I just want to play, I've been playing The Sims, so I want to use it. And again, another fun confetti. This is Hollow Gold and Lavender Hollow mixed. So you can kind of see there. You can really see this gold hollow in that. But yeah, I know, I feel like I was going to pull out rose gold for this, but then I'm using rose gold at the end of the month, so I went for this different lavender hollow, and I feel like because we have this kind of more gold shaded yellow in here as well as the purple, I feel like the lavender hollow and gold hollow kind of just went. So I'm going to try it with that for this set, and I think it'll be really fun and different. So the next week we have November 20th to the 26th. I'm using this older kit. This was originally a mystery, and then this is the newer version, Movie Night. It's like a cold weather movie night snuggly at home kit, and I have yet to use it. So I thought, why not bring this in? Maybe I'll try and watch a movie this week. I don't know. Doesn't always happen, but this one was hard to pick foil for. Did I just want to do silver? And I decided again, we're going to go out of our comfort zone into a fun foil. With the confetti bundle, we're going to do gunmetal. So this was gunmetal, I think it ended up being called. It's got a slight feel like it has a slight oil slick as well to it. But again, it's like a darker silver, and I feel like it goes with these more darker, stormier. I feel like a dark olive green would have worked well with this, but I don't think I have. I think she may have, has she released one? But I don't know if I've got it, like I don't have it on me right now, but I feel like gunmetal would be good to try anyway because it's just like lighter than black, darker than silver, a good in the middle, and matches the mood. So for the last week of November, this goes into December, so I thought, let's start the holiday sets. I've got a few extras this year, so might as well. I wasn't originally going to, but I wanted to include this set, which is Press Christmas Countdown. I really liked this vintage colorway with the pinks. So yeah, we have like, and I was like, I should use rose or rose gold with this, but I don't have, I have like, I'm still not sure because I have rose stuff that I could bring in, and I have rose Christmas things I could bring in, which probably would be better. But then I was also thinking that the rose gold, like proper rose gold, not rose, but rose gold bundle looked really good with this. But I don't have anything Christmassy in rose gold. I guess because it's pretty late in the month, I could order some stuff in rose gold, so maybe I will, but so it could happen. Maybe I will, since I've decided on rose gold. I just wanted to try the different rose, instead of rose, doing the rose gold, because even though it does have the darker pink, it does have these like lighter tones as well. I don't know. I wanted to use the rose gold bundle and complete my confetti bundle collection here for this month. But yeah, maybe I could still, if I go and order some now, some rose gold extras to go with it, just to add a little extra. I don't know, we'll see. But otherwise I'm pretty happy with that, with the Christmas Countdown being my first. As you can see here, I have, it's the end of October and I have none of my Christmas sets actually in my mail yet, so we're working on Christmas. It's gonna be a tight one this year, but it's coming. It's coming. But that is for the month of November so far. I still think it's, I don't know, November's a weird month here because it snows on and off, but it's not actually winter, it's not actually autumn anymore, and it's just, and then you get into and I don't have enough holiday, I think, to actually get to do holiday through here as well, because look, I don't have any of these either. So, I don't know, but I think November's looking good so far. I think I'm happy with it. I actually just sat down and changed both of these kits out to what they were before. But I think because right now I'm really into The Sims, especially for this year. I think it's good to use the Sims kit for this year because it really is what I'm playing this year. Like last year in November, I used an Animal Crossing kit. So that was that last year or the year before. Either way, that works out. And then I haven't used this one in ages, and I think it goes with the time of the year. So that one, I guess the only one that really stands out is The Sims, but it's a good anytime kit. But yeah, I think that is everything for this November kit lineup. Let me know what you are using this month. Are you going full holiday? Are you going full autumn? Let me know. I know November's always hard. But I think I got an okay collection here. Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful month, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. I love you. Bye bye.